How to send a message to Roblox Support. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative video presentation, I'll guide you through the steps of contacting Roblox Support efficiently and effortlessly. To begin with it is important to note that the process demonstrated here is on computer, but rest assured, it remains the same if you're utilizing a mobile device. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Roblox Support. Once you locate the support page, you will be prompted to input your date of birth. Proceed by entering your date of birth accurately, and next proceed to the next step. At this stage, you will be required to provide your username, name, email address, confirm your email, and describe the issue you're encountering. Select the device you're using, such as Xbox, and choose the appropriate category for the assistance. You may also opt for a secondary category if necessary. Subsequently, articulate your problem in detail, ensuring to include all pertinent information to facilitate the Roblox in assisting you effectively. Once you have filled out all the necessary fields, click on the Submission button. By following the simple steps, you will successfully submit your query to the Roblox Support. I trust that this tutorial has been beneficial in guiding you on how to contact Roblox Support. If you found this video helpful, kindly show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for more insightful tips and contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.